Herpesyl customer reviews. Is Herpesyl pills the best revolutionary herpes outbreak formula? Watch this video till the end to know everything about Herpesyl pills. Hey, my name is David and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. Before proceeding to the Herpesyl review, if you decide to buy Dr. Adrian Kavanaugh's Herpesyl supplement, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. Did you know that close to 500 million people across the globe are living with herpes as this video is being recorded? Did you ever stop to wonder how much of an effect such a diagnosis can have on one's well-being, whether it be in regard to their mental, physical, or emotional health? The truth is, it is neither easy nor agreeable, as the symptoms can exponentially increase with time. In the end, it really boils down to the measures one decides to take to ease herpes. Unfortunately, an exact cure has yet to be unveiled, that is until the existence of one particular supplement called Herpesyl. First let's know, what is Herpesyl supplement all about? Herpesyl is a herpes medication developed by Dr. Adrian Kavanaugh, a 20 years medical professional in the US. He claims this medication to be a combination of certain natural ingredients that not only treat herpes but also fights its recurrence. As a common trait of herpes is its recurring nature, this promise is quite extraordinary. Herpes generally causes two types of infections, in men and women that affect two particular regions of the body. While HSV-1 is the outbreak of sores and blisters in or around the oral region, HSV-2 causes the same around one's genital area. Both of these types can be extremely debilitating to an individual as it causes visible symptoms that impede social interactions, let alone private ones. As the sores can be visibly upsetting, persons suffering from herpes are often ostracized and ignored by their peers as well as intimate partners and family. It leads to a definitive decrease in self-confidence, energy, and happiness for the patients. Often, people are singled out to the extent that some may not even get the necessary medical help. This is a frightening medical condition that is transmitted by touch or coming into contact with the infected person's bodily fluids. It has been believed to be incurable as the available medications often fail to eradicate the infection, despite treating the symptoms. This means such an infection has the highest probability of recurring, although there are individual anecdotes on the contrary too. How does Herpesyl work? Herpesyl capsules work in a step-by-step manner to kill and eradicate the virus completely. Since it is based on the science of finding the virus, bringing it out of the hiding and then killing it, here are the 3 steps. Step 1. Absorption. Herpesyl's ingredients get absorbed in your body very quickly and strengthen your immune system. The ingredients fight with the virus to ensure they come out of the hiding. The cleansing process of the herpes virus will begin. Step 2. Empowering brain cells. The nutrients from Herpesyl start nourishing your brain so it can trigger and signal other cells of your immune system to fight the herpes viruses. Each and every herpes virus will be triggered and killed. Step 3. Kicking out herpes. The formula cleanses the entire body and begins healing on a cellular level. To destroy the virus, the 26 ingredients start fighting the virus by improving your body's ability to resist outbreaks, find out the hiding spots of the herpes virus and then kill them. Once this step is over, you will be completely free from HSV-1 and HSV-2. The 3-step process of the Herpesyl supplement can help cleanse your body and ensure you never have to deal with any embarrassing outbreaks again. Who is the creator of this herpes supplement? Dr. Adrian Kavanaugh is the driving force behind the Herpesyl supplement. He has been, in the past, a part of various groundbreaking discoveries in the field of pharmaceuticals, including acyclovir, the very first medicine developed to treat herpes and its symptoms. The profit-oriented, non-transparent approach by Big Pharma disillusioned him enough to quit and start up his own company to treat herpes patients. He had been working with pharmaceutical companies for the better part of his life, about 20 years to be exact, where he had made the acquaintance of one Dr. Preston who helped him finalize his formula for herpes treatment. Today his organization produces small, qualitative batches of Herpesyl in his FDA-approved facilities which are struggling to keep up with the demand due to difficulty sourcing the pure, raw ingredients that this supplement contains. Dr. Kavanaugh is convinced that there is a lot of information that the big pharma companies hide for the sake of profit. Even to the extent of causing death or injury to people. He looks to overthrow this dynamic through his transparent and people-focused medical regimes. Herpesyl ingredients list. Herpesyl is formulated with 26 natural plants and herbal extracts, vitamins and minerals. Each and every ingredient is sourced naturally and brought to science-based labs for testing. These are sourced from Africa, Asia, Northern Europe and the Brazilian Amazon. Only after proving how effective each batch of ingredients is, the Herpesyl formula is mixed and prepared in a proprietary blend. Herpesyl's effectiveness is only well known because of the excellent ratio of blending these ingredients. Here's a look of some of the main ingredients in Herpesyl. Graviola leaf. Anana muricata or graviola is an evergreen tree found in the tropical Americas and the Caribbean. The graviola extract in Herpesyl is said to be effective in treating herpes due to its high antiviral properties. Hence, this ingredient directly fights the cause to remove it from your body. Shiitake mushrooms. Staple food and medication in the Oriental culture, shiitake mushrooms have long been known to have various medicinal properties. An additional benefit of shiitake is that it prevents cognitive decline, maintaining razor-sharp reflexes. Burdock. Burdock, or Arctium as it is scientifically known, is a taproot plant used for food and medicinal purposes found in Europe and Asia. It is known to boost your immune system, helping you ward off various pathogens such as bacteria and fungi. Grapeseed extract. It is rich in unsaturated fatty acids such as linoleic acid, oleic acid, and alpha-linolenic acid, which promote heart and immune health. Other ingredients that are part of this solution include turmeric, red raspberry, quercetin, pomegranate and much more. Does Herpesyl really work for herpes outbreak? Herpesyl is a natural product that has been developed to help you prevent herpes outbreak. This solution contains 26 ingredients, mainly vitamins and plant extracts, that cleanses your body of herpes simplex virus and gives you clear and smooth skin. Herpes can make life very tough. You feel like the virus doesn't let you live your life to the fullest. You are demotivated even to go out of your house. You have to delay all the important meetings just because of a red spot on your face. The formula in Herpesyl pills combines ingredients to target the root cause of herpes outbreak and strengthen the immune system so that the problem doesn't return again. What can all benefits you get by using Herpesyl supplement? Graviola leaf are extremely rich in antioxidants that help in destroying the herpes virus from your body. The added ingredients in this supplement boost your immune system and also tonifies your brain and cleansing your brain cells. The shiitake is a mushroom that is a potent mushroom that nourishes your brain cells and nourishes your immune system. Burdock is an amazing root that is extremely high on nutrients that nourishes your brain and boosting your immune system. Also, red raspberry, turmeric, grapeseed, quercetin seeds, and pomegranate. In just a few weeks, you can be completely finally free. Be herpes-free, your brain will be nourished where it makes your energy levels skyrocketed. Herpesyl acts as a natural defense system against herpes, strengthening your neuro connection between your brain and the rest of your body. The added ingredients in this supplement shield your body against both HSV-1 and HSV-2 for many years to come. This herpes supplement alleviates symptoms that also treat the root cause of your herpes outbreaks effectively. The identified 26 potent natural ingredients work together in flushing out that herpes virus from your brain and allow you to destroy it effectively. Herpesyl supplement also addresses the root cause of why the herpes simplex virus makes you able to survive inside your body. Why should you consider buying Herpesyl? Here are some of the many reasons why you should definitely give this supplement a try. 1. Targets the root cause of herpes virus. Topmost of all, the formula targets the real cause of herpes weakening and destroys the virus. 2. Natural ingredients and no side effects. The completely natural set of Herpesyl ingredients enables users to get rid of herpes virus naturally and in a healthy manner. The supplement does not come with harmful side effects and is diabetic friendly. 3. FDA approved. Herpesyl is manufactured in the United States in an FDA-approved and good manufacturing practices certified facility, under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards. FDA interprets the above regulations as follows. Manufacturers are responsible for ensuring that their product claims are fully based. The purpose of this is to show the authenticity of these claims and not to mislead consumers. It is reported that this is an important part of the FDA's implementation of the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act, DSHEA, passed by the U.S. Congress in 1994. 4. Reliable. The manufacturers of this fantastic supplement have previously launched natural supplements as well, and they all were successful in the market and received good reviews. Similarly, Herpesyl has recently entered the market and is already climbing the ranks of the best natural herpes supplements available online. Herpesyl customer reviews and product complaints. Herpesyl complaints are not available. People have been patient and tried their test. Those with good results have posted their reviews online. And this proves that the Herpesyl is safe and risk-free. My final verdict. Should you buy Herpesyl supplement? There is absolutely nothing like Herpesyl in the market today. You can buy anything for herpes and yet you will see how it never really works for you. Herpes can only be treated by Herpesyl supplement as it targets the root cause of this virus-based disease. Hence, it is strongly recommended that you use this solution and get rid of the stubborn virus immediately. It allows you to love, live and laugh normally without any embarrassment. Since thousands of people have tried and fought herpes successfully, you can do it too. I recommend you try it right away. The product is a fully natural one that is free of chemicals and is also diabetic friendly. Therefore, it is safe for daily use. Considering that it can be easily added in your routine, you should definitely give it a try if you have herpes. You will be glad you did. So, if you're ready to get rid of herpes simplex outbreak and enjoy your life again, click the link in description of this video to get Herpesyl at a limited time discounted price. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.